Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be opening up a Dyson tower fan. Now I opened this machine up because a customer brought it in and it wasn't working, so I just took it apart to take a look at it. Took it apart to check it out to see if I could figure out what was wrong with it. And I got to be honest, I'm actually really surprised and slightly disgusted at what's inside of here. I went and looked, and they do advertise these machines as one of the beneficial features of these fans is that they're easy to clean. Well, let's take a look inside and actually determine whether or not that's true. Here's what the fan is doing. It's sucking in air from this vent here. It's blowing it up, and then the air is blowing through, and it's using basically the Venturi effect to pull in more air from behind, and then it sort of increases the volume of airflow. And so that's the whole design. And so my understanding is that it's beneficial because it's easy to clean and you don't have to worry about traditional style fans like this building up with dust. So you're kind of left thinking, well, these fans aren't going to have any issues with dust buildup. Well, let's take a look inside, and then you can determine whether or not you are convinced of that. These come apart fairly easy. I don't know if all of these are the same, but you just hold this and twist it like that, and then it unclicks. And what I found underneath inside of here was just truly surprising to me. I did not expect to find this much dust in this machine. I don't know how old it is, but and then if you look here, this is where the air is blowing up into that tower, and this little baffle can come out and it reveals a lot more dust. So that's what's inside of these fans. So if you're thinking about buying a Dyson tower fan, I wouldn't recommend getting one that's not a filtered fan. That's not an air purifier. So this one obviously is not an air purifying fan. You can see all the intake areas are just completely clogged, and there's no access to filter. So this one does not have any sort of pre-filtration. So it's just picking up whatever it's picking up off your floors and blowing it right back out. And then it's actually ended up clogging this tower. So it's not even working that efficiently as well. So in my opinion, it's not worth getting one of these fans. If you're just going to use it as a tower fan, it's really going to end up like this. But if you do get one, then you should definitely get one that's the air purifier. So I hope this video was helpful in taking it apart so you can see what it looks like inside of these fans, so you can make an informed decision whether or not you think one of these fans is a good fit for you, or whether or not you should get a purifying fan, or whether or not you should get a different brand. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.